Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who I'm. Back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with me today. So I can see him at the storage today, man. Hey, baby. Hey, girl. How you doing? Oh, you look dirty. Oh, guys, I have not seen my bike in about 10 days. Maybe even a little longer than that, man. Will you even start? Let's see if she starts up. Dang, it's been a long time. Okay, she still run, man. It's been a long time. That's mainly because one, it was me and Bria's anniversary weekend, all weekend, so I couldn't come ride it. I think I rode it the week after that. Then the week after that, it was her birthday, 30th birthday weekend, so I didn't ride all weekend. So, and I usually don't ride throughout the week just because of heavy traffic and all that. And it's getting darker a lot earlier now too. So by the time traffic dies down, it's dark outside. I don't really do the night ride. I used to love night riding, but if it's minimum traffic, I'm okay with it. But anyway, and my visor is dark, so I can't see. I haven't seen my bike in a week, and she's still here. Make sure the tires, everything good, man. Today, man, I got an install video that I will be doing on the S1000, man. That's right. So we're getting rid of this factory turn signal, LED turn signal. This the factory. So actually, we got one from TST Integrated Turn Signal. Here it is, right here. The new one that's going on the bike. I got the smoke. So if you follow TST Industries online, you'll know they have been out of stock for a long time. Like, you can't find them anywhere. And so they finally got new ones back in stock. But what happened was, apparently there's a defect that they found with their product. They had like 100 units of the ones that they weren't selling anymore still available. They sold them 50% off. So I actually got this for like $70. And so I can see some of the blemishes they were talking about, like right here. You see that? Like, that's the blemish and stuff they was talking about. And maybe, I think that's it on this one. It's not cracked, it's just that. So they didn't want to sell a faulty product that had blemishes. So I got $70. They got brand new ones now on their site. So yeah, so I'm excited about this. I've been waiting for this for a long time to try to track one down. And I finally got one. So we're gonna be putting that on today. Should be a super easy install from what I read. Should take about 20 minutes. So the only thing you need to do this is a T25 Torx bit. I also have one here if I need more torque with a ratchet set. So that's all you need, and a flathead screwdriver. First thing we have to do is remove your seats, both seats. So you got that bolt there on both sides. Take those off. You got to take off this bolt, and yeah, you just take off this bolt on that side as well. And then you take off these two underneath ones, and that should give you access to your seat here. So also we got to remove these, which are the old ones, off of here as well. All right, guys, seat should just come off. There it is. Here's your seat. You gotta take your rear seat off too. Rear seat. I probably should get you out before and after. So this is what the stock one looks like. I'll show y'all my brake right there, brake light. So my turn signals are actually down here. So we're gonna be getting rid of those today. That's what it looks like now. So I got everything off. Oh, let me turn the bike off. I got all the screws that I believe that I need. Now we're just gonna pop our rear off here. You can see the crease right there where it creases at. So this should pop out all the way up here. And then this should come off. And it's like that on both sides. If you're interested in how to do this, TST has a great video on their site. That's how to do this. Okay, guys, got this part off. This is your seat cowl. Right there. So now it exposes our back here, our plugs. So anyway, you just unplug this connector here, and then this connector back here. This connector and that connector, and I think these is what they have with the turn signals. It looks like. So just go take these off, keep working. All right, guys, I got the stock one out. As you can see here, how they compare in size, things like that. So let's go ahead and put the new one on. So guys, how this connect, you just take your original plug, you plug it into your new housing here, then they give you this piece as well, and you go white to white, and then you go black here to black there. All right, guys, moment of truth. Yeah, we got light signal. Yeah, other signal. So y'all can see there how it looks. Yes, sir. It comes with different modes. So this little button right here on top, wait, right there. So you can turn it to different modes. And like every 3 presses changes the mode. Yep, it's regular. Press it again. It's still regular. That changes the turn signal, I believe. Yeah, that's sequential. Press it again. Super fast sequential. Then you press it again, it's back. But watch the brake light now. Yeah, that's the one I like right there. So if you press it again, watch the turn signal now. So now the turn signal changes to sequential with the pulse and brake. Press it one more time, you got fast turn signal. Then you press it again. Now it's our third brake light setting. So watch the brake light. Constantly flashes. With the turn signal, press it again. Now you got sequential, press it again. Super fast turn signal with super fast brake. And that's basically how it goes, guys. So I think I'm gonna run this one. Nope, 1, 2, 3. I think I'm gonna run this one right here. So that's a pulse brake and then sequential turn. Yeah, I like that one. So anyway, guys, let me go ahead and finish this install. I have to get out what they put in, the old turn signal stuff. I'm gonna take these out. Probably just go cut it here, and then just pull the cord through. All right, guys, so I got it on. As you can see, it's a nice smoke look. Definitely blacks out the back end, but you can see how it looks right there. It looks really good from the back end. And then I'm just put on like the hazards for y'all really quick. You can see it looks really, really good. All right, guys, so I was getting ready to put my seat back on, and then look what I noticed. It has a heat shield underneath here. And I'm not sure, you know, Jack and y'all boys, you probably know this standard BMW practice to put a heat shield under here. And this is basically to keep your butt from getting hot when you're riding. So I did not know that. It's heat wrap, which is pretty cool. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up, put my seat back on. Last 2 screws here, and we done, baby. Fingers crossed. So usually when I get to the last part, I always run into an issue with my last screws, always. So fingers crossed.
A few moments later.
Guys, when I tell y'all, every time I put the last screw in, something happens, I drop the last freaking screw to the seat down there. And it's not freaking magnetized. I like, I got a magnetized thing, right? Look at this. The screw is not magnetized. Not magnetized. About the screw, could not fish it out, so had to go to BMW and get another screw for my seat here, but it's on there pretty good. Hey guys, so I'm all done now, man. One more time for y'all. I love the way this thing came out. I mean, look at it. I love that. That's dope, man. One more time for the signal lights. I'll just go ahead and put y'all down on the ground and let y'all see it. So, brake light, turn signal, right, left, hazards. It looks amazing. Been waiting on this thing. It just looks so good on the back end. Super easy install, guys. Just be careful, take your time, nothing to it. I thought they were lying when they said it was super easy. It is very, very easy install. Plug and play. I'll catch y'all next one, baby. Peace.